What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I'm going to do another monthly update for you guys. This is for the month of April 2021. As you know, March of 2021 was my best month ever. I sold more parts for more money than I ever have in that month. And I figured it would go down a little bit in April, and it did. I did not sell too many parts, but I still sold a pretty good average. Like I said in that video, if I spread it out throughout the whole year, I'd like that better. So in the month of April, I only sold 10 items, and I will list those items out for you right now. GMC Terrain headlight, $100 plus $15 shipping. Volvo XC90 alarm siren, $70 plus $8 shipping. Toyota Corolla headlight, $75 plus $25 shipping. Jeep Grand Cherokee gas door, $60 plus $10 shipping. CLS 550 door panel, $95 plus $45 shipping. Jeep Cherokee parking lamp, $80 plus $20 shipping. Volvo XC90 quarter panel filler, $20 plus $5 shipping. Range Rover Evoque headlight, $500 plus $25 shipping. And an Audi Q7 tailgate latch for $30 plus $7 shipping. Like I said, that was 10 items that I sold for $1,020. Not the best month, but obviously not the worst either. The buyers paid $165 shipping and I had to pay $177, so I lost a little bit of money. I did not break even. I really like to try to break even, but sometimes you can't help it with some of the prices of the shipping costs. So I didn't lose too much, so that's always a good thing. With the shipping fee subtracted, I made $1,008, and minus the 13% eBay fees, that was $120. I ended up with $888 in the end. That's really not too bad, you know, right under $900. It's still a pretty good month, pretty average for what I do. As you can see, I only sold one big item, which was that Range Rover headlight for $500. If I did not sell that, then obviously the prices would have been a lot lower. But like I've said before, I really like to try to sell at least one big item a month because it really helps out with the bottom line. I did sell 4 parts from my 2 parts cars that I had, so it is always good to see those parts go out because those cars have been bought and paid for, and now I can keep selling the parts for a couple years to come. So it is always good to see that. Overall, it's a pretty good month. As you guys can see, you know, you just got to get these parts listed, and you know, it's very random about what sells and what doesn't, but as long as they're on eBay, they have a chance to be sold. The GMC Terrain headlight that I sold that in a matter of hours right after I listed it. So if you guys have stuff laying around, get it on eBay. Once it's on eBay, more people can see it and then it can get sold. That's about it. Monthly update for April of 2021. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys like seeing what I've sold. If you haven't already, subscribe, give me a like. If you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.